Hello guys, welcome to a new video of Scratch. This time I will explain an adventure game I made. First, let's spin in that. First let's spin in that and then also that. Sign in. Oof, what happened? Okay, yeah, this is it. Yeah. Okay, so let's quickly sign in. Loading project. And that is it. A fun adventure game where you have to collect materials and do the objective. Let's go to see inside and let's look at. First, here we have the player. It's very simple movements. Just look at this. Very simple, just some simple movements and then there's an enemy. It stops everything. And there's also when I receive touching edge, go back. Well, when you receive touching edge, let's see. Here? Nope. Well, when you receive touching edge, just go back. But it's when this touches the other color. Now let's go to the tree. The tree first creates 6 clones of itself. And it also regenerates, so it goes to a different place. And it also creates 6 clones of itself. Cool, right? Which means there are 7 trees in total. And if it's touching player, it regenerates, which means that you then get wood. Let's quickly mine this tree. And it's mined, so I got 1 wood, as you can see. And then let's go to the objective. These are just all the objectives. Very simple. And then also lots of costumes. Now let's go to the craft. And the craft is very simple. Just when the sprite is clicked, broadcast craft. Where does the craft go? Here. Then it says ask what do you want to craft? And then you answer sticks or stick. Then it does the code to craft a stick. And then if answer equals crafter, then it makes the code to make a crafter. And if you make a crafter is the crafter, then broadcast high craft. What happens with high craft? Let's see. Then you can ask for a sword or a pick. As you can see, you're in the items. Although we made an items list. And that is what happens in the backdrops and a lot of variables. And there's also a day-night cycle. And also a day-night cycle backdrop. And there's also a day-night cycle variable. So, when I receive first night, wait 5 seconds. Switch backdrop to night. Night. So then it turns night. Then 5 seconds later, the enemies 5 seconds later, it creates a clone of myself. When I start as a clone, it immediately charges to the blue thing. Or a player, you can say. And then it never rotates. Forever move 2 steps, points towards player. If touching the damage area, and if key space pressed, then delete this clone. If we go to the damage area, then here's it just follows the player. If you crafted the sword, of course. And let's go back here. If touching the enemy, so this sprite, then it stops all. So it's game over. Now let's go to the stone. Let's quickly call it.
What?
I'm recording.
Okay. We'll get it this part, okay?
Yeah.
I need the laptop at 2:30, okay?
Yeah. Stone. So here, set stone to 0, so pickaxe to 0. And then it has the same thing as the tree. Except, but then it changes to stone by 1. And also takes durability off your pickaxe. Now the last and final thing, the advancement. Now the objectives for actually teaches you what to do, and the advancements are just an extra. So here right now there's only one advancement. If you get some stone, then the advancement will show Stone Age. Now since I explained the code, let's quickly play this game. Let's do the objective. Get 4 wood. Let's get that. 1, 2, 3, and then a little number called 4. Ooh, objective achieved. See, make a sword. Let's make sticks first by going to craft and sticks. Now we have 4 sticks. Let's make a crafter. Whoa, this says a C behind the sword. I think we need to use a crafter to make the sword. Oh, my theories was right. Now I have a sword. But when will it become night? Whoa, how did that happen? It became night. Oh no. There's an enemy! Space! Haha, I destroyed it. Let's quickly defeat. Oh man. I got defeated by the enemy. Let's quickly go back to where we was. god. Ciao. Oof. Ciao. I survived the night. Yes. Oh. Now it says us to get stone. But we have to make a pick. First we need 3 wood. Let's do the objective. 3 wood. 1, 2, 3. Yes. 3 wood. Yes. It said make a pick. So that and it has a C, so I think it's in the crafter. Pick. Oh, we made a pick. Get 10 stone. So now I think if I touch the stone, I can get it. Yes, I got 1 stone. Haha. Yes. I got even 3 stone. Yes. Haha. Oh no, it's night again. What shall I do? I can defeat the enemies. Peow. Another enemy. Pew. Hey, now I can do stuff again. Yay. Well, that is it for today's video. Bye bye.